Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Ke Central Puja Committee haksi balang jakateo kelas dang ke jingrakhi ke Durga Puja daga bapuloi ke jalang hakensha stress puja mandap haksi balang jakateo hakni ke jalang la pulong ru ke Jingduwai naga Bynta ke Jingsuk par ke Jingiatylli la sakhi ke ne ke skiru meturang ba ke jalau kondat ke sangma hak je don rikat lang ki be ki nong yalam je seng sain per thai bapher bar ki nong yalam nyam je ki nyam bapher.
The galaxy of people who are here today from different walks of life is in itself a very strong and powerful message of harmony. While I say that, I understand that there are a large number of challenges we face in society today. As a state, as a country, as a world, we realize that different issues are there, and as was correctly mentioned by Bishop Pynlong, that there is no dearth of individuals who would like to take advantage, create the incorrect narrative of the entire situation, and try to create communal tension among the people. So therefore today's program, and a very, very appropriate program when we're having it just before Durga Puja, of having this kind of a harmony program is, in a way, another message of victory of good over evil.